Thank you very much for downloading our free ThriveThemes landing page template. This is Praveen, founder of Design That Converts, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to set up this template in Thrive Architect. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back. I'm going to show you how you can install this free ThriveThemes template onto your website using ThriveThemes and WordPress, and how to set this up in seconds. So just to let you know what this template have, we have a big header section where you can showcase your course title and the biggest benefit that you have. And when someone clicks on this button, they would be taken to this module where it gives an overview of the modules that you have in the course. Above that, right below the header, we have why this course section, what you will get, where you can showcase your benefits that your customers get if they take up this course. And below that, we have the here is what the course includes section, where you can give an overview of what the modules include, and make them know more of your course and to entice people into buying it. Now we have two versions of the module section. This is version number one, where you can just put up the module title and give a short description. And we have version number two, where you can give a better version of it, better description of your module, along with an icon or an image. Okay, so these are two. You can use any one of them, and I will let you know, and I will show you how you can remove one and keep the other one. Okay, below that we have the cost, the pricing. So we again have two versions of the cost. So the first one is simple pricing structure, where you have the things on the left with your money back guarantees, all the stuff, and the pricing on the right, prominent and big, and a join now button on there. Okay, below that we have another version of the pricing table, where you can give two payment methods. One might be a one-time payment of $977, and another one would be for someone who cannot pay $977 at a time. You can give them an option to pay you in installments. Below that, we have the guarantees, the secure badges, the money back guarantees, the secure payment gateway badges. This will increase trust of your potential customers on you and on the landing page and on the offer. Below that, we have the bonuses that you give along with the codes for free. This section is optional. You can, if you have any bonuses, or you can remove it entirely if you don't. Below that, we have the testimonials, and along with CTA, we have the CTA on all the sections below the payment. Once we show them the payment and what the course is, all that stuff, we will have the CTA, the call to action, in every section below that, just to make sure that we are giving more places to them so they can click and join without scrolling up and down. Okay, so below the testimonials, we have introduction of the coach. By the way, this is me, and my name is T.S. Praveen Kumar. So you can replace the image, the name, and everything that you want to be here. So if you are the coach, you can talk about you, why you have created this course, and what they get. And below that, it's a classic FAQ section for people who have questions. And if you think your customers will have questions before signing up. And below that, we have the CTA again. This is the dummy content. You can replace this with anything you want. And again, the CTA with the 30-day money back guarantee. Okay. So this is the landing page that you are going to send traffic to. And when someone clicks on this join now button, they would be taken to this beautiful checkout page that reflects the same design, making the design aesthetics the same. And when someone clicks on that, they are going to be redirected to this. And this checkout page is created with conversion focus. So we are insisting on the money back guarantee. So if they don't like, we are going to give them the money back. and the payment gateway is secure, so they don't have to think about the safety and security from buying with you. Below that, we have the checkout form. I used WooCommerce for this checkout form, and I have stylized this a bit just to keep it in line with our overall design. And on the right, we have what you will get section, where you can give, list out the benefits that you are going to deliver to your customers if they take the course. And below that, we have the testimonials, the same testimonials that we have on this landing page, the same testimonials. And yeah, continue to payment. So this is using WooCommerce, so you can take advantage of any WooCommerce feature. So we can give payment options for PayPal and credit card using Stripe. We have the quantity selector here, so they can order the quantity if they want. For this course, I don't think they would need a quantity section, but if you are using this template for anything else, for a physical product, I think having this would be beneficial. So I have that. Let's get started, and let me show you how we can install these two pages on your Thrive themes within seconds and get up and running. Okay, before we start, we want to make sure that we have the required plugins for this landing page to work. The first plugin that we need is Thrive Architect. Of course, WordPress, we need a working WordPress install on your servers and have the access to the backend. And then the first plugin we need is Thrive Architect. The second is WooCommerce. Third is jQuery Smooth Scroll. And fourth is change quantity on checkout for WooCommerce. Okay, so these are the four plugins that we need. And dev.design.converts.com is my development environment. And I have all of those four installed, right? So what we can do is we go to pages and add a new page. Okay, let's say this is my course. Okay, this is the landing page that we are going to use, and click on publish and click on launch Thrive Architect. Okay, so Thrive Architect has been loaded. So what we have to do first is we need to click on this cog icon and go to template setup and click on import landing page. So we click it and it will give us a warning that everything on the current page will be overwritten, and we want exactly that. So click OK, and what you have to do is you need to unzip the download that you have downloaded from our website and select this zip file. Okay, TVE Ultimate Course Free Templates Thrive Themes. Okay, so you drag it, you drop it here, it will be uploaded, and once it is uploaded, you click on import. And there you go, you have the template on your website, on your Thrive install, exactly the same way that I showed you in the demo page. But we have to do a small change here to make it look as exactly as I showed you in the demo. So if you compare, if you have a go to the actual demo template, you will see that we have the header and footer this way. Okay, so they are dark and they are looking good. And when you go and open the page that you have just created, the footer and header are are missing something. Basically, it's Thrive Architect that is doing this. Thrive Architect do not support importing global headers and global footers. Okay, so we can import everything that is in between the header and footer, but we cannot import the headers and footers. So I'm going to show you how to replicate the header and footer that we have in the demo, so you can get the exact same template. For that, what you need to do is the first things first, you need to click here and remove the current header. Okay, heading, click delete, and click this background section and click delete. Okay, so you have no header right now. Now you go and open the editor and click on the cog, go to template setup and add header. Okay, so you added an header, and in this header you need to go to the create new header section and click on blank header. Okay, you clicked on blank header, click on choose header, and then give your header a name, header something, and click on add new header. Okay, so I got this blank header, and I want to edit it, so I can make it similar to what I have in the demo. So click on the header, Thrive header, and click on edit header, and click again on Thrive header just to get the options of Thrive header. And here in the header options, header position, click on over content. Okay, so it will go over the header, this hero section, go over the hero section, so we can get that nice blending background. Now go back and drag an image element and upload or choose your logo if you already have the logo. So click here and just click on your logo file and click insert into post. Now the logo is looking big, so we have to reduce the size of the logo to something that you are okay with, and then come down and click on layout and positions and set it to center. Okay, align it to center, and that is it. You have the header here. If we want to increase the space between the top portion and the logo, just click on the logo and give the top here, right in this space, give 20, and you will have the space at the top. Click on done, so you can get out of the header options. Click back, and there you go, you have that logo that we can replicate. Now come back to the footer part, and we are going to do the same. We are going to delete the existing elements, delete the background section, open the Thrive Architect element, and click on template setup and click on add footer. Click on create footer, and let's say we take the blank footer, choose footer, give it another name, footer 2, and click on add footer. Okay, so now we got a blank footer, and we are going to edit it. So click on the footer and click on edit footer. Click again, so you get the footer. Okay, and here what you are going to do is go to background styles and give the color as hash 353535. It's a dark. All right. Okay, so what you will do here is, instead of Thrive footer, click on the background section and give that 353535 as a background. Okay, so it will go dark, and we can reduce the the padding here, so we can have that small footer, and then you can add a paragraph inside the background section. So in the paragraph options, we are going to text options, make it white, make it centered, and type copyright 2018 mywebsite.com, all rights reserved. All right, after that we are going to go to the layout and positions and give it a top 20, so that it will look like it is in the center. All right, and then click on done, and there you go, you have the landing page exactly like what we have in the demo. Right, so save it and let's preview it. So this is responsive, so it looks great on mobile and also on tablets. Okay, now we are going to remove any one of the versions that we have between these two. So go back to your Thrive editor and come down. This is easy. Okay, so first you have to decide which of the versions that you want. If you are going with this version, all you have to do is click on this background section and click remove. Okay, also remove the title, and that is it. Okay, you don't have to do any kind of complicated stuff, just click and delete it. Again, for this one, all you have to do is select and delete. We can also delete this one, so whatever you want you can do that. So let's go and delete version 1, rename the title to remove the versions, and here to remove the versions, and click save, and go and reload your preview, and there you go, you have versions deleted and only the elements that you want. Okay, so now let's go and create the checkout page, and link both of them and see how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to go and create the checkout page now. I already have the WooCommerce plugin installed. If you don't have it installed, do install it before doing it. If not, you are not going to get the results. So install WooCommerce, and this plugin, change quantity on checkout for WooCommerce, only install it if you want the quantity element at your checkout page. If you don't want it, you can just you don't have to install this plugin, and this element won't be visible on the form. Okay, this along with this cross button. Okay, so both of them are from the plugin. So if you don't have that plugin, you won't see these two. Okay, now what you have to do is you create another page, add new, and let's say course checkout. Okay, and click on publish. Now launch Thrive Architect. Click on the cog icon, click on template setup, import landing page. It shows the warning that the current information will be overridden. It's okay for us, so click OK, and then go to the download, the template that you have downloaded, and click on course checkout template. Upload this and click on the import button. All right, so there you go, you have the checkout page. This is a shortcode for WooCommerce to show the checkout. It won't be visible in the edit mode, only in the preview mode. You can say it's preview and live mode, so don't worry about it. Again, as with the previous page, landing page, we have to go ahead and replace the header and footer to make sure it looks like what we want. Click here, you remove it, you click here, remove it, and then go to Thrive Architect, click on cog, template setup, click add header, click on the create new headers, click basic dark, click blank header, and click on choose header. Give it another name, header 2, and add new header. Okay, here we are going to edit the header, and click on over content, just to make the background blend, and then go back and add an image. Here you are going to add your image, your logo, here just as the previous page. Insert, reduce the size to whatever you want, click on layout and positions, align it center, and give it a 20 padding on top. Okay, there you go, you have it. Let's reduce the padding to 10 so it looks centered, and click on done. There you go, you have it. But if you see the checkout page, this is solid black. If you want, you can do it. If you want to differentiate the logo from the checkout thing, this section, you can do it. And all you have to do is go click on the Thrive header, edit header, and give the background as 353535, and there you go, you have it. Okay, click on done to get out of the Thrive header edit mode. Scroll down, delete the current footer what we have, and click here template setup, and add footer. Create a new footer, Basically, we can use the same footer that we have. So we can click on the saved footers and click on footer number 2, insert footer. Oops, it didn't work out. So yeah, go click on Thrive footer, create a new one. Go with the blank footer. Okay, let's say we select this. What will happen? Okay, so we click on minimal footer, choose footer, footer 3, give it a name, add new footer. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so make this similar to the landing pages footer, and there you go, you have it. Click on save, preview, and here you go. Okay, you will see this form only when there is any product added. So when we cancel the product, you cannot find any form on the page. Okay, this is because we cannot go ahead and check out if there is no product added to the cart, right? That's the logic here. So what we have to do is we have to create a product in WooCommerce, get a one-click link to the product. So ideally what we want is when someone clicks on the join now button, right, this need to add the product to the cart and take the person to this checkout page, right? That's the function that we are after, right? What we have to do is, for WooCommerce there is one special code which is this. Okay, so it should be like this. So yourdomain.com will be replaced with your original domain where WordPress and WooCommerce is installed. Checkout is the checkout page, and question mark add to cart 25. This has to be the same, but this one, the number should be different. So let's continue. So we click on, we get back to the back end of your WordPress. We click on products and add a new product. Okay, so let's say this product as my course, and give it a price of 977 or whatever the price is, and click on publish. All right, come back to all products, and when you hover your mouse on your course, you get this ID, right? So this ID number should be here. Okay, so we delete 25 and paste that ID of your product, WooCommerce product. Okay, now we are going to replace the yourdomain.com with our actual domain, dev.designthatconverts.com. So dev.designthatconverts.com, and we have an SSL certificate, so we have HTTPS. Now we have this checkout link, right? The path checkout, but if you see, our checkout path is different. The checkout page that we have created is different. It says course dash checkout. So what we have to do is we need to tell WooCommerce that the checkout link is this. And for that, what we are going to do is go to the backend, click on WooCommerce and go to settings, click on advanced, and here the checkout page, you need to select the page that you have just created. So we have created the course checkout page. So we are telling WooCommerce that this is the checkout page, and send people to here. Okay, so we click here, and we click on save changes. Now we need to go to the URL we have and type the link that we already have. So we are going to copy this and we are going to paste this here. Now this is a working link, and let's test if this is working. So we copy it, we come here, we paste it and click enter. There you go. You have the course, you have the form, and we have this product added to the cart. So let's test and see what someone will see when they go ahead and make the payment. Okay, so we are going and giving a dummy I have Stripe installed in test mode, so I won't get charged. So it's just a dummy way, a test version of Stripe. So what I'm going here is I'm going to fill, I already fill the dummy content, and give a different email, support at design.converts.com, and I'm going to go with Stripe and give the credit card as something photo. This is the Stripe demo card you can use to test. Okay, so I gave some credit card details and clicked on place order. Okay, so looks like the card was declined, so maybe, yeah, 4242, and then place order. Great. It says that thank you, your order has been received. So looks like the order has been received, and I'm good to go. So yeah, this is how the template works. So we have the landing page. You can modify the landing page using Thrive Architect. We have the checkout page, beautifully designed, and we have the confirmation page right here. That is it. If you have any questions, if you face any issues installing the theme on to your WordPress install, just send us a mail at support@design.converts.com, and we will get back to you with the fixes. Okay, thank you, have a good day.